Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Thursday morning, April 13th, and we are looking at a little special I'm running. This is my third year anniversary today. We started CamelbackTrading.org 3 years ago today on April 13th. We've grown very nicely since then. I think we have one of the best trading rooms out there as far as what we provide at such an incredible price, and we're even going to beat that for a while here. So for new subscribers only, if you want to join, 3 months for $75 or just $200 for the entire year, payable only through Venmo, which is my Venmo name there, or PayPal. If you do subscribe, please put in the designation box what the payment's for your email address. It's the only way I can invite you into my Discord trading room, okay? So whether you sign up through Venmo or through PayPal, please put your email as the reason for the payment. This way I could send you a link to our trading room. I think we have a lot to offer. It's a live webinar basically all day from 9:15 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern Time, breaking down what the market's doing, how the profile's forming, and what we could expect so you can use your setups with some good educational and information that we provide throughout the trading day. So, okay, now let's get to the market. So, here we are. Yesterday was a very disappointing day for the bulls after starting off very positive. In the S&P, we gapped higher. The ES just missed their balance high, SPY slightly stretched theirs, and then we finished with an outside day down. So that was obviously very, very disappointing. Now the question is, do the bears have enough in them to try to go test the other end of the balance, right? Balance rules. You get close to a balance high, or you slightly stretch it, and then you roll over, well, then the destination will be the bottom of that balance. So see if we're going to get a follow-through on that. Remember, ES had a poor low yesterday. NQ Pro, but it wasn't a big one. They're also trading right now below value, as you can see. They also slightly stretched their balance to the downside. I gave the buyers the benefit of the doubt. However, if the NQ makes a new low today, the daily would firmly be down. Righty also ended up with an outside day down. They're still in balance. Again, they're trading right now most of the evening below value. ES and SPY, same thing. We've spent a good part of last night in pre-market right now below value, trading in our lower end of our range. This is after we spent the majority of the day where all the volume was done above half back. And then after the Fed minutes came out, the market didn't react really much at all. And then late in that time frame in J, the market seemed to have digested what was said, decided to take back those longs from E through J, flush them out, and then tried to push lower as we made new lows in L. So what's the game plan for this morning? Well, again, leaning against yesterday's low is not a big factor in my book because it's not a balance low yet. The balance low is not until about $4 lower for us in the ES and SPY. So I don't think trading against the low is anything. Can you trade against the overnight low? That you can, because we know we front run it. Same thing with the overnight high, right? It's right now I'm in 3-tick increments. I'm not sure exactly how close it lines up with value low, but it's got to be pretty close between the overnight high and value low. So you could take a short against that the first time. Above that, I would be out because then you'd firmly be back inside of yesterday's value. And again, not much there. I did use HIJ as an afternoon rally high. So again, with an 8-wide POC and nothing much up above there, we could easily just grind up to those levels. So if you short value low and the overnight high, out above it with acceptance. Same on the downside. If you take the long against the overnight low and they take it out rather quickly, well, now you're going to be dealing with most likely lower value. So again, I'd be out of that, because then the next real destination would be next couple of daily lows and then your balance low. So again, a market in balance is a market waiting for more market-generated information. we'll see if we're going to get that today and see if we do come out of this balance. And then just quickly on the chart. So here's the daily. Again, I am using March 31st low of 404.55 as my balance low. So we're still $3.50 above that, okay? But we did have an outside day down. So we're going to see if we get a follow through and how we react. Now, these three lows are pretty close together, right? But they're only about $1 above our balance low. So that's why I'm not really relying too much on these three lows. This is the big one for me, the 404.55 low for March 31st. Okay? Then and only then would I possibly take a long the first time to see if they defend the balance low the way they basically defended the balance high. Good luck trading today. Thank you for the likes and subscribing. Tell your family and friends about the special we're running here. I think once you join the room, you'll realize what we offer for that price is very, very good. Have a great day trading, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.